Hi, it's the for the Motorola Moto X40 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should launch the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the settings, tap to Google Assistant section and click to Hey Google and voice match. So here you will see Hey Google switcher. Just to activate this option, click once on the switcher and now the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want to add your voice model, Hey or OK Google to recognize your voice, like in my case, you should click here to voice model and tap to retain voice model and repeat after the assistant. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.